Hey guys, I'm really excited because Nintendo just announced today that Super Smash Bros. Is coming to the Switch this year. And after watching this intro video, it got me thinking, that's a really cool logo. I want to put that on a keychain using my laser engraver. So here's a video showing how it's done. I created this image using CorelDRAW. The red outline is just going to show us the cuts, and the black is obviously the engraving. I'm engraving on 3mm acrylic here. As you can see, it's just going off smoothly. I used 16% power to engrave, 16% power to cut. I think I did 3 times here, and it popped out really nice. Everyone's settings are going to be different on their lasers, so just make sure you're doing test pieces first to see what your laser can handle and what's the minimum amount needed to get that cut and to get that good engraving. I think the keychain turned out really nice. It was super clean, really nice cut. The keychains I'm using here, I just picked them up at a dollar store. I just wanted to use them for the keychain piece, so just use a couple pliers here and open it up, pop a keychain in, and that's it. I got myself a Super Smash Bros. Keychain. Yeah, it turned out really nice. I wish I had a different color acrylic. I think a red or a green might be nice for this, but the clear looks fine, and it's really nice, high quality. I put it on one of my LED lamp bases, as you can see here, just to kind of show it off, and I think it just looks really cool. I made the files available for this project below in the description, so if you'd like to download it and make it yourself, feel free. Again, thanks for watching. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, I'm a brand new YouTube channel, so if you subscribe, that helps me know to make more. Thank you.